How to fix诸天刷宝录keeps crashing on Steam or crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your Steam client and then right click on the game in your library, go to properties and then go to general tab, and under launch options you want to type the following text, which is -dx11, and then you want to go to installed files tab, click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button right here and then find the game's exe file, right click on it, go to properties, then compatibility tab, and make sure to check both of these options right here. Click on OK. Now you can close this folder and open up your GPU application. So for example, NVIDIA GPUs will require NVIDIA app to be installed, which you can use to get updates. Go to drivers section and click on this arrow to check for updates and make sure that you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver installed. Now once you install it, you'll most likely be asked to restart your system, and after restarting your system you should basically run Steam as admin before playing the game by right clicking on Steam and then click on run as administrator, and then you should simply launch the game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.